Hello guys and welcome today. Today's video we're gonna spend on the installation Evotech radiator guard. There's it. Let me see what is involved and what's inside. I tell you, the Evotech packing is just unreal. The attention to details, attention to even the packing protection, it's just unreal. But you pay premium. At least when you pay, you know what you get. Okay, I think so. We have to put some spacers from this package. Yeah, so rubber spacer, and that's some metal spacers. Okay. Now is the question where they're supposed to go. The holes for the spacers look roundy, where the other one just in kind of Allen shape. I will give you another tip. If you want a quick and easy squeeze them inside, put some WD-40 and then you can squeeze them very easy. Okay. So that was the one roundy one. Yeah. See, with the WD-40 it's easy. Where is another one? I see them more probably find the holes than the whole installation. There's another one. Just look for the round holes. When you look closer, you're gonna see them. They're just different shape than the rest of them. Yeah, there's another one. You have to really look closer. So that's the 6 of them. 3 on the bottom and 3 on the top. You have to really look closer to find them. They're just round holes against the all hexagon holes. So now we have to unbolt the side case of this 2 bolts. This is actually nice metal side of the side panel of the radiator, where the new Triumph has the plastic one, so saving costs. So now we have to unscrew. There's TX30 multi-spline. Oh, this one is very tight. Back on the other side. This one was the Triumph at the red Loctite. That's why it was so tight. Right, guys. And I have to add that metal washer which came with the radiator. Not too tight because we have to put the radiator now. Radiator guard. So you have to align, find that hole and screw. So done. Wasn't that bad. So unscrew those 2 bolts. Behind, put that metal spacer. Put some Loctite. And you're good. Nice. Okay. Gee, looks better and better. Right. That's it. Okay. See you in the next one.